Hi everyone, I'm Kesha East and I'm a celebrity makeup artist. And good makeup application always starts with clean, fresh skin. And I love to use the Acti-Labs Micellar Lotion. One, because it's great for every skin type except if you're really oily, and it's got so many benefits which we're going to be talking about today in this video. For me, the Acti-Labs Micellar Water is a superior cleanser. And you might be interested to know that actually Acti-Labs brought out one of the first micellar lotions on the market many years ago. Of course, it's improved a lot over the years, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit about what it can do for your skin in this video. So what is the technology behind the Acti-Labs Micellar Lotion, you ask? Well, inside here, there are a lot of active ingredients which are really great for your skin, which we'll talk about later. But each of these ingredients are encapsulated using the Acti-Labs Micro-Encapsulation system, which is unique to Acti-Labs. What is this, I hear you ask? Well, it basically means that each of these ingredients are encapsulated with a membrane, or a bubble if you like. So this means that it's going to protect the active ingredients a lot longer, and it means that it's going to work deeper into your skin, unlike any other cleanser on the market. The membrane is given a positive charge, and your skin naturally has a negative charge, which means it is attracted like a magnet into the deeper skin cells. So that means deep cleaning without having to go to the salon. So let's have a look at these skin-loving ingredients. So it contains sea fennel. Acti-Labs are obsessed with sea-driven ingredients. You will find them throughout the entire range. The secret of this blue-green beauty bestowing plant is it's rich in minerals and vitamins A, C, and E, giving it antioxidant conditioning and soothing properties that help improve radiance and tone. Simply put, sea fennel energizes and rejuvenates your skin. What's not to love? With far-reaching benefits like unclogging pores, boosting collagen, and speeding up cell turnover, this ingredient is pretty special. It also contains Madonna Lily. I had to do a quick Google search on this one and wow. I found tons of research on how Madonna Lily and how it can help brighten the skin and also improve the overall complexion. It's making me want to drench my face in this stuff right now. Ditch the highlighters and get glowing skin. So it's really simple to use. All you have to do is pump some of the product into a cotton pad and move it over the skin. And don't forget about the neck either. And you want to repeat this until the cotton pad is clean. You would generally use this morning and night, and it's gentle enough to use around the eye area. This is as great as products 3 times the price because you're buying lab direct. So what are you waiting for? Really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.